So this is my half dozen can dispenser. It's just designed, basically you can see it, you just put your cans in and it just automatically feeds out your cans. The one thing you do have to be a little bit careful of is it depends what's in the can. You can, if you put it out real fast, things will just roll out automatically. So just be careful when you pull it out, because I don't want the can just falling on your feet. There's not much I can do about that. Gently put it out slowly. Put it out slowly and it will work. It was fine. As I say, you know, you just have to be careful. Sometimes it gets a bit jammed up at the back. That's because the cans are a slightly different width, but generally speaking it works fine. The issue that I had was making the fall here, the angle of descent, low enough that the can would roll forward with a small amount of cans plus, but also slow down enough when you're taking them out, because the first couple of ones I produced just rolled out like this real fast. So yeah, there is, you just have to be careful taking it out. Just be a little bit slow with it, a little bit gentle. If you take the cans out too fast, you'll get 2 cans for the price of 1. But maybe that's a feature, you know, maybe you want to take out 2 cans at the same time, so you just put it out real fast. See, it all depends on the can. It all depends on the can, how many are up on the top, that sort of thing. So yeah, it works. It works pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. I printed this with a 0.6 nozzle. It prints vertically actually. So let's actually take all the cans out here for a minute. So it just prints vertically on the printer like this. The only supports are here, so it wastes very little material. I've created these at a slight angle, so I didn't need to have supports coming all the way from down here. And there is just such a small gap between, you see, it just fits through there, so I couldn't really make these ledges any bigger. Yeah, maybe I could make that a shallower fall, but we shall see in the future. But as I say, you know, this is just it works for double lipped, as I call them, you know, with the 2 ends sealed, or ones with the end not double sealed or a little bit smaller. It's sort of, I don't know if cans are universal across the world, so it'd be quite interesting to see how this works in the States.